What's up, YouTube, and welcome to the .NET C Sharp series. And today we are looking at if and else. So we are going to make some decisions. So let us first ask the user. You would have noticed that we have slash d over here. So basically this means tab space. If you are in a text editor and you press tab, then you can see this distance covered. This is what is called a tab space, and this is line break. After this, we can take the input country from the user, and then we can say that if country equals to USA, then you are eligible. So let us check what happens. And pause the video and think that what will happen. So I am going to press enter. So nothing happened. Why is that? Because C sharp is a case sensitive language. I have written the USA in lower. So what I can do is to upper. So convert my user input to uppercase first. So now it's saying that you are eligible for this program. But there is a problem that if I enter any other country than USA, then it will not give me a proper error message. So we use else for that. In else, we don't have to define any condition. We can just say that you are not eligible. And what if we have to give another country? We may have to do this. Let's go with KSA. So you can see that the code is being repeated. We are saying the same thing to the user, either the country is USA or KSA. So we can save our code by writing these conditions together. And we can do that by putting an or operator over here. So now we are comparing both of these condition, and if any one of these condition are true, then this code will get executed. Otherwise, this code would get executed. That's why they are called if and else. So let's say the country is KSA. So it's saying that you are eligible. If I write another country, let's say UK, then it's saying that you are not eligible. So this is how if and else work. The For the else statement to work, it is required that before the else statement an if should be there. So when we write else, this if and else are connected. If this code is executed, then the else statement won't run. The else statement will only run if the if does not work. So the if is false. So there is one more thing, and this thing is called ternary operator. Let's define another string which is status, and let's go for the same condition that if the country is USA or KSA, then assign the status good. Otherwise, assign the status as sorry. So this is the short form of if and else statement, but it can only assign values. So if this condition becomes true, then assign the value after the question mark. Otherwise, assign the value after the colon. This is how it works. So we can put our statement down here, our status down here, status, and then we can check this out. So if we type USA, it's saying good, you are eligible. If we type another country, let's say UAE, then it's saying you are not eligible. So it's short form for if and else, but it can only assign values. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.